strongly worded letter to Attorney General Pam Bondi, the 6 US lawmakers, that's Lance Gooden, Pat Fallon, Mike, Brandon Gill, William Timmons and Brian Babin. They've said that the previous DOJ's action was a misguided crusade that came at the risk of harming America's relationship with a strategic geopolitical partner like India. Now, last year, we know that the Adani Group had rejected as baseless the move by the Department of Justice under the Biden administration to name the conglomerate in a case of alleged wrongdoing. Now, what they have said is that there has been no compelling reason to pursue DOJ indictment against the Adani Group, and this is in a manner that could complicate relations with an ally like India unless some external factors were at play, is what they said. Moving on, they said that the questionable pursuit of a case against the Adani Group is an unwise decision by the Biden administration. Moving on, politically motivated decisions by agencies steered by the left-wing megadonors could quickly erode years of hard work and diplomacy. The other point is that the selective pursuit by Biden's DOJ needs a second look, and that's a strong statement to come in as well. What they've indicated is that despite knowing the possible outcomes of such a reckless decision, it requires a second look 100%. Moving on, investigate Biden DOJ's conduct and share all the records pertaining to this case is what the congressmen have asked. They've also said that the real reasons behind decision to indict Adani's could uncover whether Biden administration was compromised to outside entities. And the needless pursuit against those who have contributed tens of billions and created thousands of jobs will deter investors. What this means is that clearly, considering these factors and the lack of any real injury to US interest, the decision to pursue this indictment demonstrates more harm for America's interest than good, if any. In addition, what they've said is that Biden DOJ indictment indicted companies' executives without any real injury to US interests. Biden DOJ should have referred the case to Indian authorities, is what all the 6 of them have said in the letter that they've written to AG Pamela Bondi. Apart from that, the decision has actually gone ahead and jeopardized relationships with close allies like India, and they should have referred the case to Indian authorities. Addition to this, they've indicated that India is an important ally to the US for decades, and especially against the growing threat from China. US relationship with India is rare and has no congruent. If there is any fallout in relations with India, it could actually benefit adversaries like China, is what they have indicated. And the end culture of lawfare, opacity and privatization of DOJ as the law firm of the left is the comment that has come in from the US congressmen. Very lastly, they've said that they'd written to previously AG on the 7th of January and the 14th of January, but they did not receive any response. And they request them to investigate Biden DOJ's conduct and would appreciate them sharing with them all records which are pertaining to this case for a coordinated effort in uncovering the truth. So clearly, a call to investigate Biden's Department of Justice, the letter by US congressmen that has gone to them and has actually slammed Team Biden.